Rum is a distilled alcoholic beverage made from fermented sugarcane juice, sugarcane syrup, sugarcane molasses, or any other sugarcane byproduct. Its exact origin is debated, but widely believed to have originated in the Caribbean during the 17th century. It is thought to have been first distilled in the Caribbean islands, particularly in Barbados, which has a long history of sugarcane cultivation. How is rum made? It all started with the milling and extraction, where sugarcane stalks are crushed in a mill to extract the juice and filter it. This juice contains sugar, water, and various other compounds that contribute to the flavor of the rum. We can directly use this juice to produce rum. This type of rum, where we use fresh sugarcane juice, is called rum agricole. And this style of rum is particularly associated with Martinique, which is a Caribbean island. Rum is a French word for rum. In another way, we can also heat this filtered sugarcane juice around 100 to 110 degrees Celsius. At this temperature, water is evaporated off, leaving behind a thick syrup known as sugarcane molasses. Now, in this sugarcane juice or molasses, yeast is added to start the fermentation process. In this process, yeast converts sugars into alcohol and carbon dioxide. Fermentation typically takes several days. Now this carbon dioxide escapes into air and we are left with this fermented alcohol, also known as wash or beer, which typically possesses an alcohol content roughly between 5 to 15%. After fermentation, the wash goes for distillation process, in which we heat this wash around 75 to 80 degrees Celsius. Alcohol evaporates at lower temperature as compared to water, and this evaporated alcohol vapors are passed through pipe, and at the other end it is cooled down to convert these vapors back into liquid form. Hence we get this distilled alcoholic beverage or spirit with more alcohol percentage. This is actually our rum. Now we can also repeat this process to increase the alcoholic percentage. As per USA standards, we should repeat this distillation process till we get 190 proof, or we can say 85% alcoholic concentrated liquid. After that, we go for aging. Wooden barrels are preferred to develop flavor and character. The type of barrel used and the duration of aging can significantly influence the final product. When aged in oak barrels, the rum becomes dark, versus being aged in stainless steel tanks where it remains virtually colorless. Note: aging is optional, not mandatory. You may also skip this step. After aging, we check for alcohol percentage. Normally, the alcohol percentage, ABV, is kept in the range of 40 to 50%. As per USA standards, the minimum alcoholic percentage is 40%. Maximum is not mentioned. If alcohol percentage is more than the desired level, that we add water to bring it down to desirable level. Then it undergo filtration to remove any impurities and achieve clarity. Finally, the rum is bottled, labeled, and prepared for distribution and sale. How to drink rum? Well, you can drink it in many different ways. Similar to the drink, it can be drink neat or on the rock, means with ice. Of course, you can also simply mix it with cola or orange juice. There are also many cocktails in which rum is used. For example, pina colada, daiquiri, mai tai, Bahama Mama, etc.